In this video, I'll show you how to fast your computer or how to fast your laptop. So first of all, you have to click your Windows button and you find your setting option. So you can see your setting option and you have to click your setting. After clicking your setting, you can see your system option, and after clicking your system option, you can see here interface and scroll down and you can see your about section, and now you have to click your about section and now you can see another interface. So you have to here find advanced system setting. So now you have to click here advanced system setting and you can see here another interface after clicking your advanced system setting. So now you have to here find out advanced option. You can see here 5 options and you have to select your advanced option. So now you can see here performance and setting. So you have to click here setting option. After clicking your setting option, here will be show another interface. So you can see here 4 escapes like Windows, choose, adjust for best appearance, adjust for best performance, and last custom. So if you have select your first option like Windows choose works best for my computer or laptop, so you have to select your third option adjust for best performance. So you have to click your third option and you can see here all changes. Now you have to click here apply option and then okay. Now finished your work and just you can see your performance, computer performance or laptop performance.